The project is lung cancer. Okay, so we have trained three models. We have tried three different models. Okay, so the first one is CNN and transformers. Okay, so first we are importing libraries. Okay, then we are like initializing the parameters. Okay, and then we are getting the images paths. Okay, I have here we can you can see the Kaggle paths as I have trained on the Kaggle, like they provide the free GPUs. Okay, so I train over there. Okay, so then we have done image augmentation. Okay, you can see here like for the train data generator and the validation data and the test data. Okay, you, you can see here this many images we have. Yeah, in the training data from the training we have gotten this images. Okay, with the four classes. Then we have defined the model structures. Okay, here we are simple CNN using like efficient net. Okay, the pretend model we have used so that you can see the transformer encoder. Okay, and then combining the models. Okay, you can see here you have built this CNN transformer combined model. Okay, once the model definition is done, we have like using we are combining the model. Okay, this is the optimizer we are using with the Adam. This is the loss binary constant we are using. Okay, matrices accuracy. Okay, once that is done, we are just define the early stop and checkpoint. Okay, what it does is simply it does like if suppose we don't know like how many number of image epochs we gonna till we gonna train like 100 100,000, we don't know. Okay, then we used it if the if the model accuracy does not change or the loss does not change to till the particular epoch, like for continuous 5 or 10 number of epochs, then we use it. Okay, so it automatically stops. So here we are training the model. Okay, we are trained for the 10 epochs, and you can see the accuracy is on good at all. Okay, so this model we not gonna use it. Okay, we are gonna save the model. Now the other second model we use is CNN and STM. Okay, same thing. We are importing the libraries, the uh, Kaggle links, were Kaggle paths were given. Okay. Then we are just using the image augmentation. Then we did in the previous code. Okay. Then we are defining the model. Okay. Then we are compiling the model. Okay. Once that is done, we are just taking the number of GPUs available. Like as we use Kaggle, so they provide free GPU. Okay. Then we train the model. We are training for the 10 o'clock, and it is also not giving good accuracy. Very bad indeed. So yeah, this is also we are not gonna go with this. The model accuracy is not good at all. Okay. Now we move on to the third and the last one. Classification like image classification using VIT. Okay. This model uses vision transformation. Okay. This is the libraries we are importing. Okay. When that is done, then we are pre-processing the images. Like what we done in the previous code, or we were using image augmentation. What we are doing here, we are just getting the images. Same thing we are doing here, like getting the images from the directory. Okay, and then once that is done, then here we are using that, like you can say image augmentation. Okay, using uh, like that one was in the TensorFlow. This is in the PyTorch. Okay, here we are getting the models. Okay, from the library. Okay, once the model define definition is done, then we move to the training the model. Okay, here we are just giving the accuracy matrices. Okay, and then arguments, training arguments, creating the object of trainer. Okay, and then to train the model. Okay, the number of images are very less, so it took like very less time to train, 1 minute. Okay, the accuracy is it performed better than the previous curves. Okay, and the accuracy with around 70, like more than 70. Okay, so this model is working good. So here you can see also the accuracies, okay, FN score and the confusion matrix. So this model we are saving here. You can see this. We save it. Okay, this is how the model directory gets generated after we save the model. Okay, okay. Once that is done, then we go to the main code. Okay, this is our enter application. Okay, here what we are doing is we are just reading the yeah, sorry, reading the model. Okay, okay. Once the model like loading the model. Once the model is loaded, then whatever image in the UI you gonna feed or like you gonna input, it goes to the model. Model predicts like what model basically classifies what class it has among the four. Okay, if suppose normal, with the normal, it gives the prediction also.
This is the complete project explanation video. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. Thank you friends for watching my video. If any, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.